After we receive the instrument, we install an accessory rack. Here is our 1 to 0.1 inch screen. You can pull it up. You can also put it down. We will install the accessory rack first. An accessory rack for our magnetic thin handle. After we installed the accessory holder for the magnetic thin handle. We have 2 needles here to align with this hole. Then twist it like this. It's okay to get stuck to the tightest. We now install one of these microwave handles. We can install the handle first after the socket. Let's open this lid first. 2 lids open. There's a bayonet. And notice that there's a bayonet. It is plugged here accordingly. These 2 words are one of its water pipes. It's left and right. We plug it in directly. Just plug it in. There's a bayonet. We have to aim at it accordingly. We install this bracket. Plug it in here. It can be rotated here. We can screw it in and screw it over. Plug it in again. Then we put the handle on first. This hook has a press here. Press down. Buckle it up. We pull out this position. This spring is pulled out. Card up. This position is also pulled out. Card up. Let's talk about one step of adding water. Let's get a basin and put it here first. Then we have a set of pipes. This one without a funnel is inserted into that overflow. This is the water inlet. This is the drain. When we add water, insert the nozzle and overflow. We keep adding. Add it to the overflow pipe until water comes out. That columnar, there's water. Water flows out. That means we're full. After adding water, the instrument can be powered on. This is one of our power switches. Click and then pull the screen up again. You can enter the interface operation. So here's a video of what we did. This main interface. Cold magnetic wave function. Thin point in cold magnetic wave interface. Good energy regulation total metering. This is a selection button the size of the handle. That's a temperature. Temperature button. It's time. Working hours. Back to magnetic thin interface. Automatic function. Manual function. Click on the automatic function. Magnetic thin energy starts. These are working hours. This is one frequency pattern of the pulse. Again. Time is also a pulse. We're going to do the instruments now. Enter the microwave function. Enter the size switch of the handle. Cut until this big handle light is on. A regulation of energy. Adjust the lights to an appropriate size. Good start. After clicking the screen to start, there is also a start button on the handle to light up. The red light here indicates that it is already outputting. Next we move to the abdomen. A method of operation. First, the essential oil. Massage cream is also okay. This is essential oil for skincare. Apply essential oil first. Good handle press start. When operating the abdomen, operate in circles. The way to circle. This time, test it when doing the waistlines on both sides. When waistline, that's it. Up and down, try to push this meat in the direction of the belly button. This is a manipulation of the abdomen. Now start the facial handle. A how-to guide. Okay, this comes. Switch to this handle working interface. The light is on, first, indicating that the switch has been made. Well, this switch is over. Light up. Okay. Adjust the energy to the appropriate size. Here is the total count. Okay, here it goes. A startup. A manipulation of the face. Let's go from the jawline to the earlobe. Then try to hold down the meat and pull it in the direction of the earlobe. Then lift the handle gently and evenly up. Put the mandibular line. Try to pull the jawline here back as much as possible. Hand speed should be even and slow. Nasolabial folds. Here's how it works. From the corner of the mouth and the corner of the eye, mouth corner direction. Gently pull back. And bags under the eyes here. Bags under the eyes can also be operated. Slow. This part of the crow's feet, when fading fish's feet. And the method is this. The probe is circled like this. A way to go around. Turn slowly. Break up this crow's feet. The corner of the mouth is the same thing. Fortunately, when operating this head lift pattern, our hands look like this. So here we have a magnetic thin operation, and I'm going to go through that. Advanced entry magnetic thin interface. Use smart mode. The intelligent mode adjusts the energy well. First, we start from the mid-range. There are 10 files in total. Let's start with 40%, 50%. The time is 20 minutes according to the default time. Fix the handle. A strap on the abdomen. Is that okay? Fixed point to start. So that's our cold way. Operate all processes. Thank you very much.